Hello and welcome. In this SMC how-to video, we'll be showing how easy it is to restore the ISE20 series settings back to their factory default values. This may be required when various settings have been modified inadvertently. Let's go. Here we see an ISE20 that has been changed from default settings so that the screen display color is green with no output on. Also, the unit of measure is PSI rather than the default megapascal. In order to change all switch settings back to their original default values, first press and hold the set button for longer than 3 seconds until F0 is shown flashing. Then press the down button so that F99 is shown on the screen, which represents the function used for factory reset. Press the set button again. This time the word off starts to flash, meaning we can change the reset function. Press the up or down button so that it changes to on. Here press and hold the set and down buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds or longer. Press and hold the set button again for 2 seconds to return the display to measurement mode. Now pressure is displayed in the default unit of megapascal, and the display screen color is red. And that's it. You've seen how to reset the ISE20 series. Take a look at our other SMC's how-to videos to see how easy it is to configure some of the most common switch functions.